The learning style strategy that I will be using for my lesson will be directive training. I believe directive training will be beneficial for this lesson. The reason being is because the learners, they have none or very little skills of coding. This will help them out. The target audience for this lesson is targeted for third graders. The lesson plan that I will be using is focused on the Scratch application. The lesson will be targeted using the Sprite, Character, and Scratchy application. I will then go ahead and demonstrate the lesson plan sprite movement using Scratchy application software that I will demonstrate to the students. The following is the lesson plans that I will be using to demonstrate the students how to use coding. As you can see, the learning objectives, the students will use problem solving and math skills using Scratch application software. The students will also create an animation including movement and images, as well as creating an animation and setting of their choosing. For the introduction, I will ask students to choose a sprite of their choice from the file given in the application. Once the students choose a sprite character of their choosing from the file, I will then ask them to click on the blue motion button on the top left corner of the application. Once they have done so, I will then have the students experiment for a few minutes, clicking various buttons on the application to see what happens. After the students have explored the application, pressing various functions will dive into and learn how to do the left and right movement. By doing that, they will need to add a block to move 10 steps by dragging it into Scripts workspace. Double-click on the block to see if it works.